Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, and thank you so much for joining me. This is Mrs. M, and today we're going to talk about one of my favorite subjects, which is proposals, because great proposals actually are the number one, one of the number one items when it comes to landing that contract. So we know we have to get the appointment, then we have to do the walkthrough, then we have to have a fantastic proposal in order to stand out among all the other competition from other cleaning companies. So, welcome again. If you haven't, make sure you subscribe to the channel below so that you do not miss out on any of the juicy cleaning business industry news. Now, let's go ahead and dive right in and talk about, like I said, one of my favorite subjects, which is proposals. So, one of the ways that I have understood when I converse with other cleaning business owners is, how do I stand out? I hear that so much. 48% of the cleaning business owners feel like there's nothing that they can do to stand out, and they feel like there's nothing that they're doing to stand out. So if you do not want to be among the 48% that feel like they're doing nothing to stand out from competition, this is one way that you can definitely stand out, and that is doing a digital proposal. That is one of the newest technologies that are being used when it comes to cleaning. One of the newest type of technology tools that's being used right now is digital proposals. And I absolutely love digital proposals. So what I am going to do is, for the next 4 days, I'm going to actually talk about what you need to do to start doing digital proposals, why they're so great, and I'm going to go into a little bit more detail on each one of my lessons on why it's so important to do digital appointments or proposals as opposed to doing a actual, hand type of proposal. Now, I always talk about one of the things you want to do is you want to make sure that you have a follow-up appointment. You can still do this with a digital appointment. You are a digital proposal, not a digital appointment. So you can still do this with a digital proposal. You still can set up your actual date to converse with the decision maker once you have submitted your digital proposal. Actually, you can do it while you're there doing the walkthrough, okay? But you always want to have a follow-up date on when you're going to meet again, so that you can just already know you're going to close that deal. With digital proposals, about 96% of them are images. And images are just like so important. If you think about it, we usually learn first by sight, then by audio, and then by reading. So sight is what we normally do, which helps us to really understand and absorb the information. Then next by audio, and then next by actually reading it. So I like to look at sight and doing with my hands similar. Okay. So when you're looking at something, you're taking it in a lot more. Digital proposals are actually designed to do that. 19% of your videos that are in your proposals, and a lot of people do not even submit images or videos with their proposal. Shame on you. But 19% of videos that are included in proposals have a higher close rate than those that don't. 19% close higher than those that do not include images or any type of video footage in their proposal. So today is Sunday, if you're looking at this video, and if on the next 3 days, I'm going to go into a deep dive on the state of doing a digital high closing proposal to get those contracts. So who is this little mini course for over the next couple of days? It's for individuals that are ready to move to the next level. I always like to say, no more excuses. It's time to move your business, build your cleaning business to 6 figures. So this is going to be for those individuals that are interested in doing that. And I'm going to be specifically with digital proposals. Now, if you want to obtain all the information that I use to scale my business to 6 figures within 9 months, then you want to make sure that you register for my six-figure cleaning business from scratch masterclass. In this course, in this class, I actually go step by step in what you need to do to build a six-figure business. And within an hour, I actually go through the different methods that I used to scale my business from zero. No funding, I had no contacts. It wasn't like I had any kind of social media following or anything. And I was able to scale my business from zero to six figures within a year. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you register. Space is limited. We do an actual live masterclass, and I would love for you to join me. So make sure you register below for our six-figure cleaning business from scratch masterclass. And also make sure you join me for the next couple of days while I'll go into deep detail about a digital proposal and how this is just taking over. It's like really, really, really one of the favorite things that a lot of cleaning prospects, your customers, are enjoying. And why? Because it's professional, it's entertaining, it actually conveys a concise message, it's brief, but it actually closes so much higher. So once again, if you're interested in this and learning, this is just one small portion of what I teach in the masterclass. So if you're interested in actually building that six-figure cleaning business, make sure you register below, and I'll talk to you soon. Until next time, make sure you take care and be safe. Take care. Bye-bye.